Hi friends, I am Tilak. You watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to position the text to the top, bottom, and middle in your cell, in your sheets, in your Google Sheets mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe right below. We just move on to the video. So how to position the text in Google Sheet mobile, I just going to show in this video. So I just opening a new template or new spreadsheet here. Then I just going to type, you can first I just going to type as, so we just type as role. Okay, then I just going to click OK and just going to make this to be extended like this. So now we can see this particular cell was so bigger. Okay, we just done it. So we just need this role should be on the center. So you just need to click on this A symbol on the top. You can see this is a center position, but the cell center will be this option. So this option which make it on the top, bottom, and also center. This is how you just make it as center. Just click on this A symbol and use this option to move this text to the top, bottom, and on the center. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.